in a barn with a boy on top of her.
musangana n'agahungu kamuri hejuru.
Was he raping her?
Yari kumufata ku ngufu.
Was at first, but
ko nanjye nabitekereje mbere ariko ubundi umuvandimwe wanjye ari mu cyumba cye.
About to go check on her.
Ngiye kujya kureba uko ameze.
The boy is Jules' son.
Uwo muhungu nasunitse n'umuhungu wa Jules. Ntago byitayeho.
He raped her.
Nimba yafashe ku ngufu murumuna wanjye na Jules ahubwo ndamuhiga.
Long.
Turashize.
Angel!
Angel.
Be watching her.
Bari twakurindishije umwana. Byagenze bite?
Found a boy on top of Sylvie's.
Asanze umuhungu hejuru ya Sylvie, ntekereza ko ari kumufata ku ngufu. Ndamusunika.
And that's Jules' son?
Usunika umwana wa Jules umanura kuri etage. Yego.
Thought he had a daughter.
Nari nzi ko afite umwana w'umukobwa gusa. Nanjye niko nari mbizi.
Shit, man.
Yeah.
Shit.
Baby. Ubwo bafashe ku ngufu bamufata byahe.
What are you talking about? He's not dead.
Yamwishe ntago yapfuye.
He's not.
Ntago yapfuye.
No, he's on the way to the hospital.
Ari mu nzira ajyanwa kwa muganga. Ufite kujya kumureba uriya musore kwa muganga.
Anywhere.
Nta hantu ujya.
I just want to see if he's okay.
Ndashaka kureba ko ameze neza.
To see if he's okay.
Ushaka kureba ko ameze neza.
To the hospital.
Ntago ujya kwa muganga.
Don't even know.
Uriya musore nta nubwo muzi.
Sylvie, I don't want to hear none of that.
Nta n'ikintu ushaka kumva.
Ask you something.
Ahubwo reka nkubaze.
What?
Iki?
Happened.
Byagenze bite?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
Told me she saw y'all having sex.
Rene yambwiye ngo bagusanze uryamanye n'umusore.
I was.
Nyine twaryamanye.
Did that boy rape you?
Uriya musore yagufashe ku ngufu? Oya reka.
Tell me the truth.
Mbwiza ukuri.
Raping me.
Ntabwo yamfashe ku ngufu. Yari umwana mwiza.
So, you were just having sex?
Ni nyine wari wamuhaye ubishaka.
He was teaching me about the
Yanyigishije gutwara ifarasi. Urumva umuntu wamwimira icyuruko. Urukundo.
and then he touched me and
Twajyanye ku ifarasi turaseka ankoraho.
I kissed him.
Ni nanjye wamusomye. Ubwo nyine hagenda hanashye. Nibwo mwari mugihura ariko